So our Dura airbrush makeup comes in Dura Skin, our adjusters, our original prime, specialty, which is a huge line, and that includes our shimmer effects. So within our specialty line, you can get anything from corpse, trauma, frozen, burns, bruises, and these are all, specific colors that we've pre-chosen for you just in case you want it to be a little bit easier in your color selection, but you guys can customize these yourself. What's great about our Dura Skin is that we use these for a lot of bridal tattoo coverage or tattoo coverage in general. This is really a line that is great for body art, it's great for special effects, it's great for prosthetics. So a huge range of artists use this line for just about anything. Again, I do a lot of bridal, and sometimes my brides don't want to wear all the tattoos that they've, in their youth decided to get. So I'm often hired to cover these. What I would do first for that is take a look at the tattoo, take a look at our color adjusters and see where I can use those. If somebody has a little bit of green or red, say they have red in their tattoo, I'm probably going to choose one of our green adjusters, do a little bit of that over the red to balance out the color before I cover it with my Dura Skin. With our original prime and our specialty colors, this you could take, just about anywhere, whether you're working in film, TV, fashion, whether you're, creating characters and covering prosthetics and bringing out different colors, anything in this line will really work for that. And what's really great about our shimmer effects is that you can mix those in with any of our specialty colors. So they're not as strong on their own because they're not meant to just be highlighters. They're really meant to be a product that works with our other product. So if you are doing frozen and you want a really beautiful icy blue shimmer, I would take some of our specialty blue colors, airbrush that on first, and then you can do a shimmer right over that. Or you can even mix your shimmer into one of our specialty colors and airbrush it as one. So it's super customizable. You guys can really play around with this and find the colors that you love and get to see which colors work great together. With our original prime, again, this is your base. From these colors, you guys can create any color that you want. Just start mixing around and start playing with each line and figure out how they work together. So I work in a lot of fashion, I do a lot of music videos. Sometimes we actually have to do underwater shoots. So this product is alcohol based, it's waterproof, and it's super long lasting. So anytime I'm doing a fashion shoot and they're in these beautiful gowns underwater, but I need their skin to look perfectly smooth and perfectly clean, I'm gonna look at my Dura Skin for that. And it's gonna last the entire photo shoot without moving at all. That's how strong this product is. Even with tattoos, sometimes I do tattoos for a photo shoot, for an editorial, and we're standing outside in the desert and it's just sun and sweat. This formula is not going to come off. The sweat doesn't push it off at all. That is how strong it is. So really, I want you guys to play around with this. I use it for a lot of dancers because on stage, they're moving around, they're in their leotards, they're being tossed up in the air. This needs to stay all night. So this is really great for any project that you're going to work on where you need it to last for a very long time through a little bit of wear and tear. This is what you're going to turn to, okay?